Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to French braid your own hair. We're going to start with a small section in the front and we're going to take this section and divide it into three. With your left hand you'll hold two of the pieces, with your right hand you'll hold the third piece, and then you'll take that piece on the right and you'll cross it over the middle piece so the right turns into the middle piece, and then you'll do the same thing on the left. You'll take that left piece, you'll cross it over the middle so it becomes the middle piece. On the right side you will then take a small section to add to your right piece, and then you'll take that combined section and you'll cross it over towards the middle. We'll move to the left side and we'll do the same thing, just grabbing a little bit more of the hair to add to the section to then cross over. I usually like to use my index finger to part these sections. I find it a lot easier than my thumb, and it's also easier to grab once you do get that part. Stay patient. It can be a little tricky to get this the first time or two that you do it. If you find yourself messing up in the beginning, just be patient, start over, you'll get it. Here you see me paying a little extra attention to the left side, trying to kind of comb out with my fingers just a little bit because I have a lovely cowlick on the left side that always wants to part, so I just need to give it a little extra attention to make sure that it behaves properly. This is a great style if you like something a little bit more secure than just a simple ponytail, but you also want something cute. Here is where I take my last section before going below the ear. This is where I always like to double check. If I take a section right at the ear on one side and then I go to the other side, I should be taking a section at the same spot at the ear. If I'm not, then it means my braid's going to be lopsided. And I promise the more you do this, the better you'll get, the faster you'll get. I've actually known quite a few hairstylists in my career that don't know how to braid, so believe me, you're not alone. It just takes practice and perseverance. Once you get close to the nape of the neck here, it's really tempting just to grab up the rest of the hair, but make sure you're doing your best to keep your sections even. Otherwise, it's going to fall loose towards the bottom. Here is where you can just switch back to a regular braid and just braid your hair down to whatever length you have. I have quite a few layers that like to fall out of my braid, so I'm just going to tie it off right here. And there you have it, a completed French braid. I hope this video helps you out, and if you like it, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a fabulous day.